How you all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Divani here, aka it's your girl Jenny, aka Divani here, aka Shakara baby. Wow, okay. As you can see by the title and all that, let me show you how I dye my hair red. It's like you're going to see the end, okay? Because and if you want to see how I bleach my hair, because I have the video, I'm going to post the video down, okay? I'm going to leave the video down so you can see how I bleach my hair. So because I bleach it, that is bleach, but that exactly is the second time I bleach it. If you want to see the second time I bleach it, it's on my TikTok. I will leave my TikTok name here and down below too. And this hair have like, it's going like 1 month since I bleached it twice. So, and I said, okay, let me dye it red, because why not? Why not? Okay, let me dye it red. And I want to bleach it before I dye it, but I said no, because I think that if I bleach it before I dye it, the red going to be like too much. You understand what I want to say? And I said, okay, no, let me do it. I never use these boxes or dye my hair or whatever. I just bought this on the store and I put everything together. You have to put the water or whatever, and then put the pomade, and you need to leave it like some minutes so you can take the color. So that is what I was trying to do, like mix it so the color can pop out. Okay, that is later. The color was coming out. I was scared and I said, what is that? That is orange. It's what? Okay, do you see the mess? The mess is real. The mess is real. If you see my bathroom, you will know. The mess was real because everything was falling. And yeah, okay, when I start, the color is look like this, but later you're going to see the color and you're going to be like, hello. Hello. And you know, I'm doing by myself. I only have one mirror, and if I remove my glasses, I can see nothing. I'm not saying nothing. I'm blind, okay? From far, okay. But if I do my edge like that, I can see something. So hey, it's my head, so I know where I have to put the hair, the hair. See, the dye on my hair. So I put it all around my hair, everywhere. You can see, it's changing. I said, okay, let me brush it because I have 4C natural hair. Even if when I bleach it, I have like a coils, but it's still 4C. And in my daily day, I don't comb my hair. I just wake up, I do it like this with my hand, and I go. So that is it. That's it. Let me brush it, and I think you don't have to do it. So don't do it. But yeah, this is how I was it. Oh yes, I knocked myself on the wall and it was quite painful, but hey. And yeah, the mess is real. See my t-shirt, my neck, oh my goodness, my forehead. God, what is that? Girl, what? Now that I've seen it, it's so funny. Oh my god, you need to see my bathroom. Okay, me here doing like a doctor to remove the glove. and then I rinse it off. Then apply the after conditioner. Dada.
Baby boy, remind me, say I met you for January. Should be no go mind to be my Valentine's date for February. Oh, I swear down to you, baby. See, now you won't marry, and I could love you proper. I swear, my baby, I could love you properly. Fine, baby, proper. I love the way you move your body properly, sweet baby. I love it when you give it to me properly, oh. I swear down to you, baby, see, now you won't marry. I love you proper. I swear, my baby, I gon' love you properly. Hey, baby boy, oh, you fed me. Would you be my sweet knight in shining armor? This might sound like a joke to you, but I heard the voice of my heart when I spoke to you. You said to me, I'm a touch and you were very fine. I don't want